Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hello everybody and welcome once again to Manal's home. I hope you and your families are doing well. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please press the subscribe button and also like and share the video with your friends and families. In this video we are gonna make two recipes. The first one is conserved lemon and the second one is a very delicious and easy cake recipe aromatized with lemon zests and lemon juice. So keep watching. I used 3 bags of organic unwaxed lemon. It is important to use the organic and unwaxed lemons in this recipe because we are gonna keep the lemon peel. After washing the lemons properly, I sprinkled bicarbonate of soda on top of them. Then I added boiling water. Let them set on that boiling water for 5 minutes, then rinse them with the normal water. I used a clean towel to dry the lemons so that they can be ready to be used immediately. To conserve the lemons, I am using salt. I am mixing here both table salt and sea salt, but it's up to you. You can use either just table salt or just the sea salt as you prefer. Then we are gonna need a jar which can be closed properly. I will leave you then with the details of the video and see you later. The second jar of lemons, I wanted to give it more flavor and aromatize it with rosemary, some garlics, and the garlics are fresh, and some dried chilies. If you have fresh chilies, you can use them. They were not available for me, so I just used the dried chilies. For this recipe to be successful, the jars should be sterilized. Also, you should fill up the jars till the top and not leave so much space between the lemons. The jars of lemons should be kept in a dark, cool place. I have put them in my pantry, and I will check if the lemons are ready in 20 days. I usually use lemons to clean my microwave, and today was a good opportunity to use what is left from the lemons to clean the microwave. I put some of the lemons on a small bowl, then add some water, put it in the microwave on full power for 5 minutes, and then let it set for 2 minutes, and then, as you can see, clean with a towel. This method has been successful and no smell is left. For the cake recipe, we have to mix the eggs very well, and between each ingredient we add, we have to mix really properly. You can use the blender or the mixer, I mean the electric mixer. I was not able to use it because my son was asleep and I didn't want to wake him up. So as you can see, between each ingredients I add, I mix very well. I leave you then with the steps of the cake recipe, and I hope you enjoy it and that you will try. I have kept some of the cake mixture separately, added some cocoa powder to it with some milk to loosen it a bit. Mix it well, and then added it on top of the cake. This is how I decided to decorate the cake. as I'm not thinking to add anything on top after the cake is cooked. I just want to keep it simple. And that's it, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and you find it useful, and that you are gonna share it with your friends and families. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care.